Data loss on Sony Xperia can happen due to viruses, accidental deletions, crashes, or improper memory card handling. If you can't recover data from a backup, this video will show you how to recover your Xperia data without one. Way 1. How to recover deleted Sony Xperia data without backup. Stop using your Sony Xperia to avoid overwriting lost data. For the best chance of recovery, try Mobican Doctor for Android. It lets you easily recover contacts, photos, videos, and more from your Xperia's internal memory or SD card. Step 1. Install the Doctor for Android software you've just downloaded, and link your Sony Xperia to your computer through a USB cable. Next, launch this smart software and follow the on-screen prompts to get your device connected. After that, you'll get the following interface. Step 2. Choose the data type, for example, messages, and click Next to scan. Preview and select the files to recover. Step 3. Click Recover, select a folder to save, and check the retrieved files on your computer. Way 2. How to recover deleted files on Sony Xperia with Xperia Companion. Install and connect. Install Xperia Companion and connect your Xperia. Restore backup. Select Restore and choose your backup. Recover data. Follow instructions to restore files. Way 3. How to recover deleted files from Xperia via Google Drive. Connect to Wi-Fi. Ensure stable Wi-Fi and open Google Drive. Log in and select Login. Go to My Drive, Backups. Download files. Choose Files and click Download to recover. Extra tip: how to backup Sony Xperia data securely. Regular backups are key. Mobican Backup Manager for Android lets you securely backup data like contacts, messages, and photos via USB or Wi-Fi. Connect your Xperia to the computer via USB. Open the backup software, select Backup, choose data types, and save to a folder on your PC. Tap Backup to complete.